Okay, we're going to show you an issue that these 2011, 2014 Chargers have. They have the backup camera kind of goes on the fritz. So right now, Sonia's working on taking the panel off and hopefully not losing screws to be able to get to the camera. Now there's a fuse underneath this panel back here. You lift this up and in there's a fuse that you can check. It's a 10 amp fuse. It's in the number 44 location. Right now she's going to pull it down and check the wiring. But I'm going to show you an easier way to fix it. You come in here. And since she's back here, I'm not going to start her or anything. But come on in here. So when you start the car, this is the display screen. A lot of times what will happen is you put it in reverse. It'll either flash or just blank and just says check your surroundings. So what you do, instead of having to pull everything apart to check it, there's a couple other things. Instead of using this, you can use this feature here, which is called the rear view mirror. And there's another one on each door. You can check those. And that is the old analog way of backing a car up. With that, you don't even have to worry about this thing here. Sometimes there'll be some blind spots and stuff too, but you can actually buy these little bubble mirrors that give you a lot more visibility too. So if that starts going on the fritz, remember you actually have 3 different locations you can check and not actually even have to get into any wiring or anything on this new type of stuff. So that's our tech tip of the day from Eastern Hot Rodder. Like and subscribe.